love when I saw it was the wardrobe. I was like, oh my.
Okay.
Is take a photo.
Okay.
Photo goes off to the property manager. Also, there's been an inventory report.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. I am super happy to have you on this channel today. My name is Blessing. I am a working professional living in the UK, and it's my first time renting in the UK. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to take you guys through my apartments and also give you guys like a story about my renting, what the process was like, what I loved, what I hated, what I love about my apartment, what I do not quite like about my apartment, and my plans in terms of decorating my apartment. Am I going to decorate further or just leave the apartment the way it is? If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and that will make me really excited today. Basically, my hunting process was a bit difficult because I am the first time renter in the UK. Agents threw a lot of questions at me regarding my renting, history and all that. And for some weird reason, they just made it difficult. But eventually, I got this apartment. It was about 200 bucks, 100 pounds above my budget, but I just had to settle for it because I needed to move out of the hotel into an apartment. And luckily for me, this apartment had everything in it. It had the bed sheets laid already, it had the pillowcase, the pillow, everything was there, and then it had like the cooking utensils as well. And I was like, okay, good. And I realized that even if I am paying higher in rent, the utility is quite less than other places because it has like a good rating in terms of electricity, especially. It has good rating, and then the water, I believe from what I've heard about the bill, is quite fair. So if I should put in the utilities, I would say it's a fair deal. So it would be more or less like I am paying about £100 higher than. So once you come into the apartment, the first thing you see on your right is the storeroom or the laundry room. So I could use it for storage, for laundry, or for anything else, like pantry as well. But then there's this nice mirror here. Then of course the bathroom is right here. So everything you see in this toilet, I met them here. I met tissue holder, I met the toilet brush, I met the bin, and I met brand new towels. And I think this is a plus. So yeah. Then the other thing you see next is the kitchen. That's the fridge right there. This is the fridge. This is the freezer. Then it came with these pots and came with this set. It came with the knives, it came with the spoons. But sadly, I can't use the spoons in these pots because they are not non-stick. And then the drawers, it came with the cutleries. All these cutleries, I did not buy them. It has really nice drawer space. Really nice drawer space. Then of course I have a Smeg gas cooker. Ooh, right? Okay, and then there's the microwave. It's also like a roaster. It basically acts like an oven as well. And then it came with all these. Then the awkward thing about this apartment is that it has 4 seats to this tiny table. I'm like, why did you guys do this? So I feel like the table is too tiny, and it's not just so cool. So I'm thinking perhaps I'll take this chair and put it in the room. I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet, but I would have to change the entire space. You know, I would most likely have my work table there, my desk, my work from home desk there. So the couch, what are the things I like about this apartment? I love the fact that I came in just with my luggage. I didn't need to buy anything extra because that's exactly what I needed at the time I moved in. So I like the fact that it was very okay for me to just move in. It had towels, it had kitchen towel, everything I needed for me to start my life in the UK. The apartment had it, so that's one thing I really liked about the apartment and still love about the apartment. The other thing I really love when I saw it was the wardrobe. I was like, oh my goodness, this is worth it for me. So the wardrobe for me was like, baby girl, just take it. This wardrobe is the in thing. The wardrobe is like the second thing I really love in this apartment. It's perfect. It's actually a perfect wardrobe. The first thing, my first love, is definitely my bathroom. I love the color, like they picked out the right color. I love how it is laid out. I love how everything about the color of my bathroom is just worth it for me. And then the lighting, it has the perfect lighting, and I can't wait to just give a little touch to the bathroom. What do you guys think? What do you think about the bathroom? Do you think I should put, something? Do you think I should leave it just bare like that, or I should give it a little bit of greeneries and a little touch? Well, we'll see how that goes. I do love the fridge and the freezer. My freezer size, I feel like it's just perfect for me. I didn't need anything bigger or anything smaller. What else? I love the console as well. The console is actually really beautiful. I like the center table. I love this. I love my standing lamp. I really do like it. I love the side lamps. I love the patient rug here. I love the flooring. Pretty much I love most of the things in the apartment, but there are some things I kind of wish that it was different. And it's certainly the mirror in my bedroom. I wish the mirror was actually positioned differently. The mirror, when you walk into the apartment, I also wish that this mirror here was a bit, was positioned differently, maybe in the bedroom, and I wish it was bigger, but it's all good because I have mirrors like everywhere. Only thing I was a bit skeptical about was the dining. I mean, why would you have like 4 chairs to this very tiny dining? I thought that was so cool. I came in and I saw my couch. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm taking this apartment. I saw other apartments within the same building that were a bit cheaper, maybe 80 quid cheaper, 80 pounds cheaper, but I'm living 100 pounds cheaper, but they were a bit weird. They were a bit weird. There was just something about it, and then the couch had very funny color. So, what do you think about the apartment? What do you think about my apartment? Do you think I should give a touch to it, or you think I should just leave it the way it is? And let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know. So guys, let's talk about the rent. So I really wish I had like a flatmate and I was renting like a 2-bedroom flat, because it would have been cheaper for me. So basically, I would have gotten the same kind of apartment, but it would be a 2-bedroom flat for like £1,300, and then my rent will now be like £700, and I will have a flatmate. But I am paying £1,000 without utilities, without my bills, and it's quite high. It's above my budget, sincerely. But at the time of renting this apartment, I did not have a choice. I just had to take an apartment. I just had to move in, and for the fact that it had a lot of things, which of course you guys have seen, I thought it was really worth it. I mean, I didn't have to buy all those things. I know those things are cheap. I could get them and maybe 3-4 months extras for my rent to be able to get all these things. But the stress of it, the stress of moving out with these things, I know how it is. I just did not want to be in that position. I wanted to just come in with my luggage and move on. So yeah, that's about it. The rent is high, but it's worth it. And I love the apartment. I think I'm gonna really enjoy myself here. I'm gonna try and put some touch to it. You guys should suggest to me what you think I should do. And yes, that's about it, guys. What do you think about the apartment? Would you rent this apartment for £1,000? Do you think it's worth it? It's about, so the time I rented is about $1,200. Do you think this apartment is worth $1,200? Would you pay $1,200 for this apartment, aside from your bills, just for the apartment itself? The apartment is actually located in West Midland, England. So if you've been seeing my other videos, you definitely would know where I am. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I'll get a like from you. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next apartment tour, when I give the apartment a little lift. I'm not sure I will do much. I'll just touch it up a little bit, and yeah, when I do that, I will definitely share with you guys. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon.